Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's been a little over a week since I've actually posted a vlog. I honestly just didn't feel right posting regularly scheduled happy content this week. There's been a lot going on in the world. A lot of people have been very emotional, understandably. But one of the ways that I feel my best is connecting with you guys. So I hope you enjoy today's vlog. I just got some PR. I am so excited to open this. It's obviously Essie and Urban Decay, which is so cool. Oh my goodness. So cool! I am in need of changing up my nails. So basically you apply 2 coats of Essie Gel Couture, inside scoop nail color and let dry, top with Moon Dust shade, lunar lit for chrome effect. Finish by applying 1 coat of Essie Gel Couture top coat. Oh my gosh. Do you literally use this together? That is so cool. I am so excited for this. As you guys can tell, I desperately need to change my nails. They are very scary looking, especially this one. It broke the other day. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I had so much fun doing my nails with the Essie and Urban Decay package that was sent to me, and here's the before and after. I had so much fun. Like I said, I love a good shimmery and chrome nail, and I'm just about to post a full video on TikTok of how I achieved this look. After doing my nails, I went on a walk with Elsa, got some fresh air, and I just love this time of year where it's kind of chilly outside, but it's not cold enough where you have to bundle up in hats, socks, winter boots, and mittens. It's just right. Hello guys. Today it is Wednesday and I am ready to do a ballet class. I just wanted to walk with Elsa, so I'm going to get changed. Obviously tights on top. I know nobody agrees with me, or a select few. This leotard is one that I got recently. I really like it, and I'm gonna wear my Lulu shorts on top, and then I'm also gonna do an unboxing because I got some PR the other day and I want to try some things on with you guys. And one of my favorite brands, Popflex, sent me a new outfit. So before I unbox that, I want to do a class and then I'll show you guys what they sent me. So let's go do a ballet class. I'm gonna throw my pointe shoes because on Monday I just did a flat ballet class and I also did a workout and my legs are so sore. So I'm gonna take it easy in terms of like the ballet, and I'm going to focus more on pointe. Okay guys, I obviously just finished filming some like TikToks. Also, this is so zoomed in for some reason. But regardless, I wanted to do a little unboxing from Popflex. I'm so excited that they sent this to me. I don't know what's in it. I did a little peek, so I assume what's in it is the Pirouette Skirt, potentially. The Pirouette Skirt Cassie's version. So cute, love that. Obviously they sent a sticker. They always send the cutest little sticker. And then they also sent a handwritten note. So you guys know I love my Pirouette Skirt, and they sent me a Pirouette Skirt, a top, and a sports bra. And once again, I'll post a full video on my TikTok. Okay, so I just had lunch after I tried on the Popflex stuff, but I wanted to show you guys what I got at HomeSense the other day. I got these bed sheets that were so cute. I couldn't pass them up. Look at the little ballerina. This is so ballet core and nutcracker aesthetic. I love it. Quite literally nutcracker right there. So I'm going to wash these first tomorrow and then put them on probably. I also got a tree skirt for our white tree that's on our landing that I put up a few days ago, and it's really soft. I really like the feeling of it. I wanted to get a white one as well because the tree is also white, so I feel like that made the most sense. And then we have a black and white one for the downstairs tree. It's a little bit more festive, but for the upstairs one, I'm gonna use this unless it's too big because it's actually quite big. So we'll have to see which fits better. And I also got this throw that I'm going to replace this throw with because this one's like a little bit thinner and this one's a bit thicker. And yeah, I just thought it was time. A new one on the bed, and this one can go downstairs with the couch. And yeah, I thought these went really well together too, and I really like the feel of it. It's almost like quilted in the look, but it's really smooth and it feels knitted. I don't know how to explain it. I just really like it. So, oh, I also got these towels. They're little ballerina towels. How cute are those? So that's everything that I got at HomeSense. I also got some picture frames and I already put them in Steve's office as a surprise when he gets back home. And I also still have to show you guys what we got at the cottage. This is the tree that I'm talking about. It's white. And you see there's just not that much space, whereas downstairs there's a lot more space, so we'll see. But I thought I would show you guys what I got while we were at the cottage as well. I got some ornaments. I also got this little mushroom. I thought it was so cute and so like me. I'm gonna put this out with the rest of our mushrooms over there. I also got some mushroom ornaments that I'll put out when we actually decorate the tree, probably next weekend, I want to say. I also got some scented candles. They're eco and soy candles, and they're in the scent buttered maple. They smell really good, guys. I love them. I also got some Christmas shopping done. I shopped for my friend Amber, and I got her and me the same thing. It's really cute. I got these like glass blown, I used to call them witch balls. I don't know what people generally call them, but this one says this beautifully hand blown glass window ornament is traditionally known as a symbol of friendship. So I thought that was fitting. So I'm really excited to give her that for Christmas, and I got the matching ones. So I was like, it's kind of like friendship bracelets, but in the form of an ornament, if that makes any sense. I also got myself these two things. I'm so excited. These were on sale and they have like these printed flowers on them, and I thought this would be perfect to put a scented candle in, and it would be so pretty. I also got a pink one, I believe. Yeah, got a little pink one too, which I think is really cute. So I'm going to take all the stickers off of these things and put them out and then go get ready for work, because I leave for work in about an hour and then I'm back late tonight. So I'm gonna also flip the laundry, and then by the time I get home, I'm not leaving the laundry on while I'm away, obviously, but I'll be able to fold it when I get home. There we go. Yeah, so that's everything that I got. It's been a while since I got these things, and they've just been sitting on the table. Another thing that makes me very, very happy when I'm in a slump is to decorate for Christmas. I was up until 1 a.m. moving furniture. Oh my God, my voice. Guys, I'm putting this cute sheets on, and they have little mice on them and nutcracker like fairies. So cute. This is your sign to do festive bedding. And once again, just decorating for Christmas a little bit early is so joyful. My mom got Elsa a little Christmas sweater, and Dan, my mom's husband, also made this amazing cat tree. It was so nice to see my parents this week. I'm so thankful for everything they do for me and everything you guys do for me too. So if you are feeling heavy this week, I hope you find ways to lighten your mood and to make yourself feel good. Take care of your mental health, take care of your physical health. As always, it's such a pleasure. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.